This is a 2000 model year Lexus RX300. We have just put a replacement engine in this car. This is a low miles JDM engine. And while doing this, I noticed that it still has the original radiator. This is a 22-year-old radiator that is still holding strong, but we're not going to take any chances on it. As long as we have all the coolant drained and all the hoses disconnected, we're just going to replace this radiator. On this car, the radiator is sandwiched, well, like most other cars, between the fan shroud and the AC condenser, with the difference that this cross member is over the fan shroud. So here's a quick tip on how you remove the radiator. You want to remove the radiator of one piece with the fan shroud. You do not want to attempt to separate the fan shroud from the radiator. This is a fool's errand. So in order to make this happen, you disconnect the fan shroud electricals on both sides. You disconnect this harness line that goes down to the temperature sensor right there. Set it aside, and most importantly, you have this wire harness bundle here that is mounted to this stay under the cross member, and so you want to separate it and move it out of the way so that the radiator has some wiggle room on the driver's side. And finally you have this vertical stay that I think is called the hood latch stay, and you want to remove this. You got to get this out of the way or nothing is going to happen. And the bottom bolt for this thing is a little bit tricky to get to. You have to lift up the radiator and fan shroud first, then reach behind them and unfasten the bolt that holds this vertical stay. And once you do this, then the radiator and the fan shroud come out together.